Hi everyone, I'm Phyllis Alexius and I'm going to tell you about 3D printing and how it's changing the way we create things. Wouldn't it be great to make your own product replacement parts on site or at home? Don't you hate it when something breaks, time is critical, and you need it right now? Maybe it's a unique size nut or bolt that only the manufacturer or designer can ship to you. Or just some small part of the object breaks, and you have to buy more pieces than you really need to fix the problem. What if I told you that 3D printers are now being used by many manufacturers and businesses for that very reason? The use of 3D printing has enhanced their company's rate of production in a smarter, faster, more eco-friendly way. How does 3D printing perfect or fix just about any issue directly on site? Let's start by explaining the basics of 3D printing. 3D printers resemble a normal printer, but with a few enhancements. In place of an ink cartridge, there are special materials with spools of rubber, plastic, or metal. A normal 3D printer only prints 2D documents. With 3D printers, you can actually print a real working three-dimensional model straight from your computer. Anything that exists in liquid or powder can be replicated. Once you have the printer, materials, and the design specifications, you can reproduce just about anything you want. This groundbreaking technology aids production so that assembly can be done locally. Raw materials are things that can be shipped and take up less space. The product or part can be made as needed. No need for stockpiling. Companies like Ford use 3D printing to design its prototypes, making product testing more efficient. Other automotive manufacturers like Local Motors are going even further, making the chassis and body in a giant $1 million 3D printers. 3D printers have built houses, produced food, toys, electronics, and even plastic guns. 3D printing has even changed the way the medical world has approached healthcare. 3D technology uses ink style printers to make living tissue, like skin, eye tissue, liver, kidneys, and limb prosthetics. In 2014, NASA used the world's first zero-gravity 3D printer built by the manufacturer Made in Space. It was installed successfully in the International Space Station, printing parts, tools, and other gadgets for astronauts while they were in space. As 3D printers become more affordable and compactable, there will be a 3D printer in many households. Then an actual replacement part will be printed without delay. Want to learn more about this amazing technology? Check out these websites about 3D printing.
Created using Powtoon.